big tree. I am a small axe, ready to cut you down. Ready to cut you down. Blessed love family. Yeah man, welcome to the Herbalawes garden one more time. Yeah man, and today, I am answering one of my extended family question about doing a video, with herbs that can treat bone pain. Right. For a big tree, I am a small axe, ready to cut you down. Ready to cut you down. Blessings. Yeah, man. This is called spinach. Yeah. And you might be wondering, what Herbalawes I go say about the spinach now? Small axe, fall big tree. Yeah, man, that's the words of Bob in a song, along with the Wailers. Those words from Bob Marley were not instigating violence, but I see them as words of wisdom. Yeah, man, wise words. So it's Herbalawes instigating, yeah, man, through word sound and power. Sometimes the smallest plant, yeah, man, can deal with the biggest pain. Yeah, so that's why I draw for the words of Bob. Small axe fall big tree. But the words from Herbalawes, yeah, man, sometimes the smallest plant, yeah, man, deal with the biggest pain. Spinach, spinach plant, spinach leaf may be one of the lesser known plants that can deal with bone pain, can strengthen the bone. Yeah? But today, I'm gonna let you know that spinach also strengthens the bone. Yeah, man. It's mineral. Yeah, man, the mineral from the spinach plant can help to support the bone, the joint, when it feel weak. Yeah, man, spinach plant. The spinach plant is not alone. There are other allies. Yeah, man, a cadre of herbs. Yeah, like Astragalus, chomomile, and also fennel. We'll reason about those soon. Yeah. Leaf of life. This is called Single Bible, otherwise called aloe vera. You notice the words that define the plant. Yeah? Bible. Single Bible. You know? Yeah. Leaf of life. Yeah? Bible, life. Stay tuned, Roots family. Yeah, man, Herbalawes, word sound, seal.
On a road, go do the thing now.